Natural beauty boosting essential oils have been a game changer for me. I used to spend so much money on expensive skincare products that promised to give me radiant skin, but never delivered. It wasn't until I discovered the power of essential oils that I truly saw a difference in my complexion. One of my favorite essential oils is lavender. Not only does it have a calming scent that helps me relax after a long day, but it also has amazing benefits for my skin. Lavender oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps reduce redness and irritation. I love using it as a spot treatment for any pesky blemishes that pop up. It also helps to balance out my skin's natural oils, leaving me with a more even complexion. Another essential oil that I can't live without is tea tree oil. This powerful oil is a natural antiseptic, making it perfect for treating acne-prone skin. I like to mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil and apply it to any breakouts. It helps to reduce inflammation and kill bacteria, leaving my skin clear and smooth. Frankincense oil is another essential oil that I swear by. This oil has been used for centuries for its anti-aging properties. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while also promoting cell regeneration. I like to mix a few drops of frankincense oil with my favorite moisturizer and apply it to my face and neck before bed. I wake up with plump, glowing skin every morning. Rosehip oil is another essential oil that has become a staple in my skincare routine. This oil is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help to brighten and even out my skin tone. It also helps to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, leaving me with a more radiant complexion. I like to use rosehip oil as a daily moisturizer, applying a few drops to my face and neck after cleansing. One essential oil that I recently discovered and can't get enough of is neroli oil. This oil is derived from the blossoms of the bitter orange tree and has a beautiful floral scent. Neroli oil is known for its ability to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. I like to mix a few drops of neroli oil with my body lotion and apply it to my skin after showering. It leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated all day long. I also love using essential oils in my hair care routine. One of my favorites is peppermint oil. This invigorating oil helps to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. I like to mix a few drops of peppermint oil with coconut oil and massage it into my scalp once a week. It leaves my hair feeling refreshed and my scalp tingling. Another essential oil that I use in my hair care routine is rosemary oil. This oil is known for its ability to strengthen hair follicles and prevent hair loss. I like to mix a few drops of rosemary oil with my shampoo and massage it into my scalp. It helps to promote healthy hair growth and leaves my hair looking shiny and full. In addition to their skincare and hair care benefits, essential oils also have amazing aromatherapy properties. I like to diffuse a blend of lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus oils in my home to create a calming and uplifting atmosphere. The scent of essential oils helps to reduce stress and anxiety, leaving me feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Overall, natural beauty-boosting essential oils have completely transformed my skincare and hair care routines. Not only do they provide amazing benefits for my skin and hair, but they also help to improve my overall well-being. I love knowing that I am using pure, natural ingredients that are free from harsh chemicals and toxins. Essential oils have become an essential part of my daily self-care routine, and I can't imagine my life without them.